Hey there! My name is Isaac with Country Life Natural Foods, and today we're making one of my favorite recipes. It's curry garbanzo. Now, this is a simple recipe that my family, we love making it all the time, and it's a simple process. First thing that I'm going to do is start by adding the onions and the peppers and my carrots here to the bowl. Start sauteing those. Once those become a little more aromatic, I'll be breading the tofu with some flour and with our not chicken seasoning to add some extra chicken flavor to that. I purposely froze the tofu first. When you freeze your tofu, it gives it a more meat-like consistency. Once that's breaded, I'll add that to the pot with all the other vegetables. Once that starts browning a little bit, then I'll add the garbanzo beans. Once the garbanzo beans are there and start to warm up, I'll add the coconut milk. And the last thing we'll do is add the rest of the curry seasoning. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy your curry.